Hallo Freunde, wie geht's? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to ask what is your name in German and reply the same. So let's get started. So again, there are two ways of asking someone what is your name. First, formal, and second, informal. So, when do we use the formal one? When you're talking to someone who is, like older than you. So for that, we'll use wie heißen Sie. Wie heißen Sie. Heißen basically means to be called. So Sie here means you and it represents the formal you. Okay. And one more point, you have to make sure that the S remains capital. It is very important for us to focus on each and everything when we are learning German. So if you make the S the small s, it will mean something else. Next, the informal one. We use the informal one when we're talking to someone who is of the same age or maybe younger than us. So we'll say wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? So there is a little different in the conjugation of the verb wie heißt du, and du means you again but in informal. So it's wie heißt du. So when you want to reply, it does not matter whether you are using the formal one or informal one. For reply, it's just one single sentence. Ich heiße your name. Zum Beispiel means for example. Ich heiße Isha. Ich heiße Isha. So now there are other alternatives as well on how to ask what is your name. So you can also ask wie ist Ihr Name? So it's wie ist Ihr Name? It basically means like what is your name? That's like we have ways of asking what is your name. There are also different ways of answering. So one we have done, ich heiße. Second one is ich bin. Ich bin. It basically means I am. Ich bin Isha. I am Isha. Another one is mein Name ist Isha. My name is Isha. Mein Name ist Isha. If you notice something, we basically use wie and not was. So wie means how and was means what. So we are asking wie heißen Sie or wie ist Ihr Name. So like how is your name? That's how. So we don't have a particular reason why are we using wie and not was. It's just like German speaks like this, and even they don't have a fixed reason that why do they use wie instead of was. So just a quick revision. Hallo, wie heißen Sie? Okay. Hi, ich heiße Isha. Und du? So that's it for today. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do hit the red button below. Till then, cheers.